Animalistic with your instincts. Walk around confident that your shit stinks. Leave your mark on them, and you can't be bargained with. Shit's so butter, but they selling you margarine. Don't buy it, keep trying. Save your strength for what you've been eyeing. Both eyes open, patches ain't pirate. Caribbean dreams are unseen, but I digress. Into the present tense, we all hesitant. Ain't one of us heaven sent. Emotions build up, so you better vent. Stick out like sore thumbs in that leather vest. But even in that thing, you are not an animal. Even in Hamden on the avenue, fanny pack looking like a kangaroo. Whatever you need to keep up that mandible.
I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still an animal. Nobody knows it but me when I slip. Yeah, I slip, I'm still an animal.
Ups and downs with the peaks and valleys. I reach my palace and it's in the alley. No cage, more like the jungle. Thoughts run free, but my ego's humble. I wish everyone still could hope for the things they dreamed they could leave that dope for. But I'm a realist and I'm revealing the things that cut me, so fuck these feelings. Come on, cut the reeling, it's time to cast again. Blast off, mask off, fuck the oxygen. Time continuing, my mind is asking when the pain will stop. We fade to black again, shades of gray, absolutes, no truth in them. No line in the sand, I cruise through them. That troll, that bridge, I'm used to them. Pay no toll, easy pass, never lose to them. Price is wrong, I shop for deals. No carry, cause Barker has got the wheel. Long road, but we never gonna stop for meals. We just hammer on, like a glockenspiel. Copper feel on the tits of life, I just might relish the hate I taste. It's like spice on my tongue, my venom does not require spite. Unlike thirst is quenched without Sprite like that.
I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still an animal. Nobody knows it but me when I slip. Yeah, I slip, I'm still an animal. I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still an animal. Nobody knows it but me when I slip. Yeah, I slip, I'm still an animal.
Animals, we reading that manual. Use the guide how to live this lifetime. I don't really have time, but you might. Listen to this, listen to that. Do whatever the fuck you want. Freestyle Friday 26, Facebook.com/EW hip hop. And we do this, and I do that, and you with this, and I'm with that. Twitter.com/EW hip hop. And we do it like that, like fuck. Consciousness, as we kick this life's ass, laughing at the mischief. We too busy talking about dicks and twit pics to figure out who is more witless. And apathy sets in when we can't hear. No heroes, no wins, so we can't cheer. I'm feeling dumb enough to put a fucking chant here. Reinvent the wheel, no chance, so we can't steer. Top down like my whip was nice. I'm done faking being positive, I whip my life. Too cold for the heat tonight. I'm a maverick, I shine like a Christmas light. But at the same time, I'm LeBron James game him. I ain't even playing and you know you can't trade him. Two-tone jersey, black paisley stain. As I stand up, fist cocked, I ain't even aiming. I ain't even thinking, I ain't even bring my brain. I'm too gone for a status change. Tip up that new cup, chug that new poison. No frill, straight talk, fuck that coy shit. I am killing robots, you are killing pop songs. I recycle chords, then I hit them with the bop gun. Yeah, but keep it happy on the chorus part, cause you never know where the fucking tourists are.
Let's go heal, the scars gonna look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that win, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
Back to the wall like a middle school dance. I handle these songs like a Liverpool band. Hey Ringo, the drums is lovely, but a bit too loud, now the mix is ugly. EQ them and grab the final, second straight to the place where they press the vinyl. On the way back by papayas from Michael Caine's wife and the Queen's vagina. No response, well you best keep trying. These people are important, they're short on timing. Spot tea, won't we, while we sit here. Dumb subordinates never use fifth gear. It gets you there much faster, now doesn't it? Stupid Jaguar shouldn't have a governor. No problem, your timing was lovely. The birds just left just to toss up another one.
My cuts gon' heal and the scars gonna look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that win, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' okay, we're gonna be okay, we're gonna be okay. Gonna be okay. At least I hope so. Cuts gon' heal and the scars gon' look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that way, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. When I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives, to turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gonna work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days. Sun on his face, a glimmer in his eye. Blue blocks cocked, he's a little too high, no problem. You see, it all comes down to a tally of the minutes, the column evens out. So we sip something, have sex, and get money with a smile on the face, even though it's getting ugly. And we tipping up cups for the brainstorm meeting of the minds, which the meeting might rain more. London town or Portland, or keep that shit wet for the snappy Porsche, the cold-hearted. Emotions bogarted, the two-step rep just pays retarded. So who gon' love what they can't see? You got a vision, but it isn't one they want you to be. 91 style rap, I'm New Jack in the beat. Cold sipping on a cold 211 is cheap. So what? I sip that hard and go way harder. My liver's looking at me like I'm fucking his daughter. My 40's looking like he wants to kill him regardless. But we live another night just to fight in the morning. We patch the pain and mind the gap, the everyday struggle just to find that map. I sip up and lean back, toke up those greenbacks, mean a little something different to the people getting taxed. When I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives, to turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve,